So, what's up guys, I'm back, and these lights here are emergency, and it's cause we're having a thunderstorm, and only the emergency lights are on. There's my sister, and my dad. All these emergency lights. There's a lot downstairs. It looks like nothing happened, but okay, let me hold my iPad. Okay, I'm doing. I have this hold here that I can hold, like in a way. Yeah, that's better. So good. My God, you can hear it raining from there. Look. Oh yeah, because it's open. Okay, guys. I'm gonna have to grab the camera. Oh yeah, it's right here. So basically, look, see? It's just happened right now. And yeah, okay, this is. It's 17 kilometers. There was one that is 70 kilometers away from here. Okay, so this position is actually we're getting closer to the wet part. So look, we're not really downstairs, it's just a little late. Yeah, my dad is coming. Yeah, sorry for the voice. Okay, I just saw the lightning, guys. It was like really big and it was like tall, and it went into the floor. Yeah, 7 kilometers away, 7 seconds. Each second is a kilometer. If you guys don't know, if you count that it's light and it takes 2 seconds for the sound to come. It means, and now it just feels like we're in the Titanic. Seriously. The floor is super wet. Super. I can barely. Okay. I'm not with any socks because we're in Africa. Oh, it's like I'm swimming right now. Oh my God, there's so much water. The water's flooding everywhere. See, look. Water. Oh, at least it doesn't go to my shorts. The music. I'm not sure if I should go down. We're almost in a sign of light. Well, we are light with better, stronger light. Yeah, I don't want to go over here again. Yeah. Yeah, finally, he's here. Should we go down the stairs? Oh yeah, monkeys. You know that monkeys can poop at someone and it's still there? Please, come. Can we go down by stairs? Oh, Robin. Oh. Can we go down by stairs? Can we?
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna go down by stairs. It's kind of wet, so I'm gonna have to block the thing a bit, but at least you can hear me. Oh man, this is feeling like we're in a haunted hotel. Okay, this is bad. Okay, now it really feels like we're one more step from here, I'm basically swimming. Whoa! Oh, I'm just gonna legs. Sign of light. That's all emergency. lot of emergency ones.